President Emerson Mnangagwa was expected to preside over the burial of Liberation War veteran Luke Mushore, popularly known by his Chimrenga name, Chimboringo, the National Heroes Acre on Monday. Salamina mashoko abuda panguva inoi pamusoro the death of the veteran leader munyika yezimbabwe ndobo subscribe like on the bell icon tipina panapa munomubuda nyumva muchinzi. This follows the official conferment of national hero status on Mushore on Friday in recognition of his unwavering commitment and distinguished service to Zimbabwe during and after the liberation struggle. In a statement, the Ministry of Home Affairs and Cultural Heritage confirmed the burial arrangements. Mushore's body will be airlifted to Condenari on Saturday, where friends, family, and provincial leadership from Mashonaland Central will have the opportunity to pay their final respects. His remains will lie in the state at his rural home at Bevan Farm before being returned to Harare on Sunday. The body will be received at Charles Gumbo Barracks ahead of Monday's official state burial. The nation has been urged to unite in remembrance of a man whose dedication to Zimbabwe's liberation and post-independence development helped shape the course of its history. Mushore joined the liberation struggle in 1972 and was among the early cadets who played a critical role in the fight for independence. Ndo mashoko ari kubuda panguva ino aiwa pamusoro pemaarrangements pamwechete nemadetails aiwa ekufa kwethe veteran aiwa anonzi Luke Mushore anokwa kunzi he was also declared a national hero status, and today ndopati kuona mutungamiri wenyika weMasodanso Mnangagwa is presiding over his burial. Tudze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pinda kumbe section medu nzi mafungiro enyu, so subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.